Do you find conversations, both in dating and in social situations, absolutely exhausting? If that is you, I want to show you that there are 3 phases in conversations, and there might be certain points in a conversation that is harder for you. Number 1 is initiation. Like, how comfortable are you initiating conversation cold, whether it's with a stranger, at a social event, on a date? The second phase is what I call engagement and sustainment. How long can you hang in there in a conversation where it kind of flows, you're getting a conversation going, it's easy. The third phase is what I call make a meaningful connection, that at the end of the conversation, there is some sort of notion of a follow-up, whether, a guy asks a girl out, or they have some sort of exchange in phone number, or you might hear, I'd love to do this again sometime. If you are listening to these phases and you're thinking that all of these phases are hard, or maybe there's just one, you'll definitely want to come to my Flirting Made Easy workshop, because we're going to go over how to improve conversation flow and make it not only fun, but flirty.